Hi, let's make big volcano. Let's go. Let's crumble the paper. These are used paper. Let's tear the paper. And then we need a bottle. There. We need a board, glue gun, and a bottle. Stick it up. And secure the bottle using the glue gun. You can ask for help. Glue gun is hot. Let's see. Okay. Let's do the body of the volcano. Let's do this. Paper. Use a tape to hold all the paper together. Okay, all set. We need a bowl. We have a glue, water, the glue. We add water and mix. Oh, it's very sticky now. It's gonna be little messy. So take time to put the paper. Let's ask for help. This might take more time. Here it is, and we're all done. Leave it and let it dry. I think it's good and dry. Yay! Ready to paint? This is color white and black. I have here color white, put the black there, and to mix and you turn to gray. This is now our color gray. Now let's color the volcano. Just paint the volcano. Okay, it's almost finished. All the painting. What do you think? What about the lava? Okay, the lava. So what do you think? That is my volcano. It's simple. The lava's coming out. You can see the lava. Let's do the baking soda and the vinegar experiment. Goggles, protect your eyes. We have baking soda. We have vinegars. Oh! Wow! Did you see that? Wow! So much red! Woohoo! The lava! The dinosaur is gonna die! It's so hot! The lava's hot! So that's it! See you in the next one! Bye!